Hello, and welcome to Blue Frontier's ISO Consultancy Services. In this short video, we're going to introduce the topic of accreditation and why businesses typically seek it. If you're interested in continuing, we've assumed that you're a business, you want to improve an aspect or aspects of your business, and that you have an idea that ISO accreditation is the next step, but you're not sure how to proceed. We will discuss aspects of ISO accreditation and how a consultation can be the first important step to gaining accreditation. If you already know the answers to these questions and wish to progress to the auditing process, please find a link to the next video below. Let's hear from Mark Whittingham, our Technical Director, on what businesses look to gain from consultancy.
We have a huge range of businesses approach us for consultancy services. So that could be from startups to really large multinational corporations. And they could be approaching us for a whole variety of different reasons. It could be that they're tendering for work in regulated domains, or it could be that their business type is moving into a particularly regulated industry like financial or medical. Or it could just be that they're looking to improve efficiency or quality within their business.
You could be a new business starting from scratch, looking to work on larger, more interesting projects, looking to make changes in efficiency, moving into a new, heavily regulated area, for instance, data protection or GDPR, or you could be affected by new legislation. Blue Frontier is accredited in ISO 9001, Quality, 27001, Information Security, 13485, Medical Quality, and 14001, Environmental Management. ISO accreditation opens doors and allows a business to collaborate with other internationally recognised companies, access a larger market, and work on more interesting and potentially lucrative projects. Accreditation helps a business move into a heavily regulated industry, for instance, medical products. A construction firm would need Quality 9001 and Health and Safety 45001 before being considered for working for a utility company. Similarly, a company seeking to work with government agencies would be subject to security accreditation before they begin work. ISO accreditation is not a simple process. There's no template to achieve certification. However, because we've been down this route, we've established an effective method for implementing procedures and working processes that you need for certification. Our consultancy service is flexible. Whether you need the complete end-to-end ISO consultancy or simply want to pick out one of our services to fulfill a particular criterion, we're happy to help. We will guide your business all the way through this truly transformative process, whatever stage you're at.
It's a big decision for businesses. It's expensive, it's complex, and it's time consuming. But it's also valuable. It's a statement of intent to your customers and partners about what your business is, what your business means. Not only that, but it facilitates more work coming through the door. It's a way of getting new customers. It's a way of reassuring existing customers that you're a serious business and that you are moving forwards in a very particular direction.
From healthcare, including biomedical and pharmaceuticals, to legal, retail, construction and manufacturing, Blue Frontier is using ISO accreditation to build our approach to quality delivery, quantifying quality through documentation, and making sure any mistakes don't get repeated.
The analysis of error within business, or non-conformance in ISO terms, is the process of analysing a mistake to work out what happened in the chain of events to cause the outcome, and then going back and saying how could we have prevented this right from the beginning to stop that chain of events from happening. In aerospace they talk about human factors, and there's a chain of human factors that lead up to a critical accident. And it's about intervening early in that chain in order to break the chain and stop that eventuality from realising itself.
If this video has helped you decide that accreditation is something you want to investigate further, please continue to our next video, which goes into the auditing process, or please feel free to email or talk to one of our experts. The video link will appear at the end. Here's Mark to tell us one of the positive effects that businesses encounter on this transformative journey. Thank you for watching.
Business is not just bricks and mortar. It's not paper and checks and cash flows. It's about the people in the business, and it's about the people that you're serving and the services and the product that you're delivering to them. And ISO accreditations and ISO standards really facilitate the delivery of those products and services to your customers, and the building of the business, which ultimately benefits everybody.